Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change emergency SOS number in Samsung Galaxy S22. By default, it's a rescue number from your country, but if we want to change it, we need to go to Settings, then Safety and Emergency SOS, and here we have Make Emergency Call. So we can choose one from default ones here, or we can add a custom number, for example a member of our family or someone we trust, and this number will now be used as our emergency call. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.